Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze Cybertech Security Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss year on year and quarter on quarter results, but we'll give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in lakhs. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year June quarter 30.35 crores. This June quarter 33.42 crores. Here, approximately 3 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. A 10% year on year revenue was increased. This is positive sign. Later, other income. Previous year 1.7 crore, now 1.6 crores. So both are equal. We'll ignore this one. Later, expenses. Cost of hardware and software. Previous year 1.37 crores, now 2.36 crores. Here approximately 1 crore was increased. We need to remember this point. Next one is employee benefit expenses. Previous year 18.43 crores, now 21.36 crores. Here approximately 3 crores was increased. Overall for these two items, 4 crores was increased. Later, finance cost. Previous year 7 lakhs, now 5 lakhs. So here they are paying only 5 lakhs as interest. That means this company is zero debt company. That is positive sign. Later, depreciation. Previous year 1.3 crores. This year 1.9 crores. We'll ignore this one. Later, other expenses. Previous year 3.5 crores. Now 3.7 crores. Here 14 lakhs was increased. What we observed based on revenue from operations and expenses. Here revenue from operations increased 3 crores. But here cost of hardware and employee benefit expenses 3 crores. Here we will check employee benefit expenses from last year June to this year June. Here 3 crores was increased. We will compare March quarter with June quarter. In March quarter they got 19.6 crores as employee benefit expenses. This year 21.3. Here also approximately 2 crores was increased. That means what you understood based on this one is, I think employees got bonuses and hikes in June quarter due to this one. Here employee benefits expenses are higher comparing with March quarter and last year June quarter. Later, profit before tax. Previous year 7.2 crores, this year 5.7 crores. Here approximately 1.5 crore was decreased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 22% profit before tax decreased. Why decreased means, here employee benefit expenses and cost of hardware and software increased. Due to these two expenses, profit before tax decreased. Later, tax expense, current tax. Previous year 2.08 crores, this year 1.8 crores. Here little bit current tax was decreased. Later, profit for the period. Previous year 5.16 crores, this year 3.94 crores. Here profit for the period decreased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 24% year on year profit decreased. Here due to these expenses, profit before tax and profit for the period are decreased. Now paid up equity share capital. Previous year 27 crores 54 lakhs. This year 27 crores 63 lakhs. Here little bit equity was increased. In March quarter also it was increased from 27 crores 54 lakhs to 27 lakh crores 59 lakhs. I think here they announced employee stock options. Due to this one, equity was increased. We need to check it in annual reports. Later, earning per share, basic. Previous year 1 rupee 88 paise, now 1 rupee 40 paise. Here, earning per share was decreased. Now check quarter on quarter results. Here, revenue from operations. Previous quarter 29 crores 79 lakhs. Now 33 crores 42 lakhs. Here revenue was increased. We'll check it in percentage. So 12% quarter on quarter revenue increase. This is positive side. Later profit before tax. It was increased from 3.7 crores to 5.7 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 51% increase. Later profit for the period. So previous got 2.8 crores, now 3.94 crores. Here approximately 1.8 crores increase. We'll check it in percentage. So 41% quarter-on-quarter increase. What we understood based on year-on-year results and quarter-on-quarter results. Cybertech security, year-on-year results are not good, but quarter-on-quarter results are good. But we'll give more importance for year-on-year results. Here, Cybertech security, year-on-year results are not good. Now we'll check few more points. Current price of Cybertech system is 192 rupees. So results came after market hours. At market hours, it was decreased 4.69%. That means 9.45 rupees decreased. Now we'll check dividend. From 2016 onwards, they are giving dividend constantly 1 rupee. Yet 16 1 rupee, 17 1 rupee, 18 1 rupee, 19 1 rupee, 20 1 rupee. They didn't announce dividends till in 2021. Now check valuation of Cybertech Systems. Market cap of Cybertech Systems is 532 crores. That means this company is small cap company. So we need to think multiple ways at the time of investing in small cap companies. Here ROC is 20.9%, ROE is 23%. That means here ROE is greater than 20%. That is positive sign. Here debt to equity is 0.06. That means this company is zero debt company. That is positive sign. Later, free cash flow for 10 years is 47 crores. This is positive sign. Price to sales is 4.51. This is reasonable price to sales. Now we'll check last 1 year price chart with results. Here we have 1 year price chart. Before 1 year, price of Cybertech system is 44 rupees. Current price is 200 rupees. So it was increased from 44 to 200 means approximately 160 rupees was increased. Now check the last 4 quarter results. Here last year June quarter, sales increased 16%, profits increased 77%. Later in September quarter, here sales decreased 3% and profits decreased 20%. In December quarter, sales increased 4% and profits increased 146%. But here we need to remember one point. Here results are very good, but here one point is there, that is tax. In December quarter, they got 6 crores tax as revert back to company. Due to this one, here profits increased. So we need to remember this point. In March quarter, here sales are 0.8%, profits are 382%. But we need to remember one more point here, expenses. Expenses decreased 10%. Due to this one, profits increased. Cybertech Systems is a small cap company. So if they decrease expenses or if they decrease the taxes, then they'll get more profits. We need to remember that point. Here June quarter, December quarter and March quarter results are good. In September quarter, negative. So here price was increased from 44 rupees to 82 rupees. So from December onwards, they got good results. Due to that one, price was increased from 81 rupees to 172. Then current price is 200 rupees. Now check PE of Cybertech Systems. PE before result is 22. PE after result is 23. Cybertech Systems, year on year results are not good. Due to that one, here PE was increased 1 point. Now we'll compare this current PE with 3 years median PE and 5 years median PE. Current PE is 23. 3 years median PE is 15. 5 years is 18. In the current market conditions, so 5 years median PE is 18. It's near to current PE. That means currently Cybertech system is reasonable valuation. But we need to remember other things at the time of investing in small cap companies. So here PE is reasonable, but Cybertech Systems got profits in some quarters with tax credit and also decrease the expenses. So conclusion is pros: zero debt company, quarter on quarter results are excellent, reasonable valuation based on 5 years median PE. Cons are year on year results are not good, risks are small cap company, price increased from 44 rupees to 192 rupees in 1 year. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.